Easter around the corner, we got a new video and a new Dirty Printer statue. I'm wearing this. And the new 3D printer statue goes apart with this new video. Since Easter is coming out, we have something on top of his head. Are you guys ready? I will be showing you in 3, 2, 1. Here he is. Tails. And remember when I told you what's on top of them? Bunny ears. Since Easter is coming up, that's why we added the bunny ears. See you later, guys. Bye.